Hello YouTube, this is Dhruva Mundodi and welcome to my channel Mundodi Vlogs. So friends, recently I have been experiencing little bit of power loss and mileage drop on my 2000 model Suzuki Fiero. It has got a 150cc engine which produces 12 bhp of power. So I came down to Ideal Garage Sulya to get it checked, and upon inspection we came to know that the pressure plates and clutch plates have become weak. So we decided to replace the same. In this video, I won't be doing any voiceover since the video is self-explanatory. So you guys can just sit back and relax and check out how the clutch plates and pressure plates are changed on a 21 years old bike. Before ending this video, I'll just start my bike. I want you guys to hear the original Suzuki Fiero thump. So let's do it. So smooth, silky smooth. The gear shifting is silky smooth. Even a new 150cc bike cannot match with the Fiero in terms of performance and in terms of smoothness and refinement of engine. So that's it for today, friends. I hope you have found my video to be informative and interesting. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, Please subscribe to Mundodi Vlogs for more such informative and interesting videos in the future. Thank you, friends.